try to poop on the newspaper, okay? Kim? And we there. We teach him to use the toilet, guys. We will see if he will poop there. We. Come on na. Dito kami sa toilet. Up. Don't lay down, ha? Kim? Kim? Ayan. Nahiga na. Kim? You poop la? You don't want to poop? Kim? Hi. You poop la? Kim? You want to poop or not? Huh? Kim? Hello? You want to poop? Yes or no? Why are you laying down? Why are you laying down, Kim? Hindi siya magpakalit. Kala namin ni Ma'am, magpakain na siya. Pwede na lang pumunta sana siya. Kim! Yung newspaper dyan, para kung tumaya siya, yan. You want to poop or not? Kim? You don't want to poop here? You don't want to poop here? Ayaw niya. Hi. So cute. Ayan, may ganyan, may harang yung kanyang ulo, guys, kasi para hindi niya kamutin. Para hindi pala niya dilaan yung kanyang ari na na surgery. Kim! You poop la? Wala na, nahiga na. Okay, let's go. Go la. We go out. Kim, you want to go out? Kim? Hi. You sleep na? Okay, let's go. Let's go. You go out. You don't want to poop? You don't want to poop. You don't want to poop. You don't want to poop. You poop la? Ayaw niya. Okay, stand up, lah. We go. Go. Ayaw niya. See? Tumayo na. You want to go out? You poop first. Try to poop first, ha? Oh, wee. You want to wee? Or you want to go out? Kakatawa. Ganito yung mga aso dito sa ibang bansa. Parang mga baby. Oops! You pupo, Sino nakatingin sa door? Gusto lumabas. No, don't bite that. Kim. No. Do not bite this one. Don't pupla. Baby. You still don't like it? You won't go out? Go out, go out, go out. Kontingin lang. So cute. Wait, you don't want to poop? Hmm? You don't like it? Guys, labas na nga kami. Kawawa naman. Pinipilit namin tumae. Ayaw naman niya. Okay, poop. Come on. You poop on the newspaper, okay? Yeah, very good boy. You poop, brother. No. Here? Yes, good. Yes. Okay. Okay, good.